Article 80 Communication Circuits illustrate the communication installations, application of bonding and grounding electrode conductors in service equipment, power service grounding electrode conductor, grounding electrode, bonding conductor, communication equipment protector or shield, intersystem bonding, termination or connection to building grounding means. FPN Figure 80 illustration of bonding conductor in a communication installation. Like this, service equipment, power service grounding electric code conductor, then grounding electrodes, bonding conductors, grounding electrical communication equipments, protector or shield. FPN Figure 8b illustration of grounding electrical code conductors in communication installation. 801 General. This article covers communication circuits and equipment. FPN number 1 C101 Installation of communication circuits and equipment that are not covered. FPN number 2 For further information for remote control, signaling, and power limited circuits, see Article 725. FPN number 3 For further information for fire alarm system, see Article 7.60. 8.0.1.2 Definition. See part of 1.01. For the purpose of the article, the following additional definitions apply: abandoned communication cables, installed communication cable that is not terminated at both ends in the connector or other equipment not identified for the future use with the tag Block A square or portion of the city, town, or village enclosed by streets and including the alleys as so enclosed but not any street. Cable, a factory assembly of two more conductors having an overall covering. Cable sheet, a covering over the conductor assembly that may include one or more metallic numbers, strand member, or jackets. Communication circuit integrity cable used in communication system to ensure continued operation of a critical exposed to accidental contact. A circuit that is not such a portion that in case of failure of support of insulation, contact with other circuit may result. Point of entrance: the point within the building at which the communications wire or cable emerge from the external wall, from a concrete floor, slab, premises, the land of buildings of a user located in the